Hi, how to fix Hevc video extensions codec missing 0XC00D5212 error without having to pay anything. It's an easy and quick solution. Stick to the end of the video. First open up Google Chrome. Now copy and paste this code, it's in the description. Click on install and wait a few seconds. You don't need to open it. Now go ahead and open any video you'd like. There you go, problem fixed without having to pay. Subscribe with the bell on to stay notified. Subscribe and become a membership of this channel for shoutouts. Peace out.